In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable studio effects in Google Meet. Google Meet has become a pivotal tool for holding virtual meetings, online classrooms, and staying connected with loved ones far and wide. Whether for work or personal enjoyment, enhancing your virtual experience can make all the difference. That's where studio effects come in, allowing you to personalize your backdrop creatively and professionally. Let's dive right in and guide you through the easy steps to bring some flair to your next virtual meeting. To start, you'll want to open Google Meet on your computer or device. Once you're in the meeting room, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a variety of icons lined up there, which are all essential for managing your call. The one we're interested in for today is the video icon. It's the familiar camera symbol that represents video controls. Next to this icon, you'll see a small arrow pointing downward. This is the key to accessing additional settings that will unleash the studio effects you're eager to try out. Go ahead and click on that small arrow. Doing so will expand a menu with various customization options. From here, you want to select Background and Effects. This section is your gateway to adding unique styles to your meeting appearance. These effects include subtle changes such as blurring your background softly or bolder, more creative options like animated backgrounds and themed scenes that can make your presence more vibrant in the meeting. Once you're in the Background and Effects menu, you can explore the different options available to you. Here, you have to choose a studio setup background. It may range from classic office setups to immersive themes like a beach or outer space. As you navigate through these selections, you might find that some work better than others depending on your particular meeting context. A professional business meeting might warrant a simple background enhancing your look without distractions, while a casual family get-together could be the perfect opportunity to test a more fun and playful setup. Now, once you've chosen a background that suits your purpose, make sure to click on it so it's applied to your video feed. This feature allows attendees to see the background as if it were originally in your setting, making the virtual interaction more engaging and visually appealing. Remember, maintaining a well-lit area while using these effects enhances their quality, so find a spot with good lighting for the best results. In conclusion, diving into the world